how to download X app on your Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Twitter, also known as X, on your Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you will be prompted to the search section. Now here in the search section, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for X. And here, once you search for it, you can see the X app at the top. So simply tap on it, and here once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the install button to start the installation process. And here, once the installation process starts, you just have to wait for some time for X to download in your device, and it may totally depend on your internet size. And here, once the installation process complete, simply you can tap on the open button to launch the app. And that's it. That's how you can install the X app on your Android device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.